Good morning, guys. It is April 6th, 2020. We are still, for those of you that might be watching this video like a year or two from now, we are still in the coronavirus pandemic, so I'm recording from home. I just wanted to show you guys real quick before we start activity 4. My family, we celebrate Easter, and so we decorated our Easter eggs yesterday, and I wanted to show you guys because I thought they turned out super cute. Okay, so my son, he's only 4, so I had to help him. But we made a Ninja Turtle, and we made, whoops, I'm probably going to break them as I show you guys. And we made a Minion. It's hard to show you guys when it's reversed. And then my daughter, Reese, she's 8. She made a flower with a stem, and over here you can see the sun. And then she also made a lion. And then my older daughter, make her do it. She's 21. She made a ladybug. Isn't that cute? And then she also made a Winnie the Pooh. We made a ton more, but these were the best ones. Okay. Again, I just want to show you guys because I thought they were super cute. All right, let's go ahead and get started in our activity 4 tutorials. Now I got to figure out how to make my camera smaller. Hang on. It's going to let me? I don't know. There we go. Okay, now on to activity 4. I like the background I chose. Okay, we're going to open up that blank PowerPoint. You should use this by now. We're going to add your name and activity 4 on this first slide. All right, go ahead, pause me, go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, so I have now done my first slide here. And I need to find my stuff. There we go. All right, add another slide. Choose the title only layout. Some of this, you guys, I'm hoping you're starting to be able to navigate PowerPoint more fluently since we've been doing this a lot. So we're going to go to new slide, click that drop down arrow, and we want the title only slide right there. So that's slide 2. In the title placeholder, type yummy foods, center the title. Okay, click on in here. Yummy foods. Remember, the Y and the F should be capitalized. And then I'm just going to, from the home tab, I'm just going to click in the center option, and it should, there we go, boom, center that for me. Number 4, copy and paste 3 different pictures of foods you like onto the slide. If your images won't paste, okay. All right, so 3 different images of foods you like. I'll do the first one with you guys just in case you forget, and then you can do the second 2 on your own. So I am going to, of course, my favorite all time ever is pizza. I can eat pizza all day, every day. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Google Images. I'm going to find an image of a pizza that I like. I like this one here. I'm just going to right click, and I'm going to hit copy image. And then I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint. Make sure you click out of this box because right now where your cursor is, it's thinking that's where you want to paste this picture, and you don't want it to be stuck in this text box. So click somewhere outside of it and right click. Okay, now watch. When you right click, you see how you have 3 options here? These first 2 won't allow you to actually paste that picture. This one with the clipboard with the little like image icon there, that one will allow you. But also, if you were to just hit Control V, sometimes I do that. I hit Control V and see it does this like weird thing up here. Well, if you come and hit this Control, your paste options right there, then you will have that option to do that 3rd one. So there we go. All right, I'm just going to drag this somewhere randomly on the slide for now. Go ahead and pause me and go back and do all 3 of your pictures, and then I'll meet you on the other side. Okay, so at this point, you should have your 3 pictures on your slide. It doesn't matter where they are right now. And then our next step here, we're on step 5. We are going to change the size of each image to be a square, a 2.5 by 2.5 square. Okay, so select one of your images. I don't care which one. And then open up your format tab that opens with that specific picture. Now over here, you can change, so let's say, for example, I'm changing the height to 2.5 and I hit enter. Notice how it automatically changes the width That's good. That makes it so that it stays proportional. But in this case, I also wanted you to learn how to change it in case you don't want the images to be proportional. Maybe you all want them to be the same size. So this is locked. So this is called your aspect ratio, and it's locked. So it automatically, because it wants it to be proportional, will adjust your width depending on what you choose your height. But again, we don't want that. So we're going to click right here where it says size. This arrow here will open up that menu for us. And here's what we're going to do. This time, instead of, we don't want the aspect ratio locked. So we're going to deselect that. And then, so we've got 2.5 for our height. Let's go ahead and type in 2.5 for our width. And there we go. I want you to make all of your images 2.5. So let's go ahead and click on Ranch, and we'll do the same thing. Make sure your lock aspect ratio is deselected. And then come here. We're going to make that 2.5. And then we're going to make your width. My phone's going off. Sorry, guys, 2.5. Now, see how this is not proportional anymore? That's okay. I want your images I just want you to know how to do this. So it's okay if your images look goofy. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and do the last one. Again, unlock the aspect ratio, select 2.5. Stop it, phone, stop it. 2.5, enter. Okay, so now we have all of our images are 2.5. Now, notice it might look like the pizza isn't 2.5, but it is. It's because it's got this, the pizza image had this white background behind it. You can't necessarily see, but the size of the box that goes around it does match the size of the other two. Okie dokie. Now our last step here, step 6, says drag the images to different areas of the slide. They should look unorganized. I'm making you do this because I'm going to teach you how to organize them. You may have already done this previously. I can't quite remember. All right, so just some random places, go ahead and drag your images. Okay, that is it for this slide.